Welcome back, guys. From the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you my mom's hair loss update. For those who don't know, around 4 months ago, my mom went for a color touch-up. Whatever product the person used was way too strong. It burned her scalp and hair, which led to her hair falling out and bald spots. Since then, the dead hair and color was removed, and I've been helping my mom get back to her normal self. With my Moringa hair juice, it took about 13 days to regrow back the bald spot. That video for the recipe will be linked in the description box below. From September to today, we've been using a new recipe that has been growing out her hair very nicely. My hair juice recipes always focus on nurturing the scalp and hair follicles, which lead to growth, retention, and strength. Water is the base of the hair juice. My top herbs are rosemary, mint, and peppermint, along with green tea to help soothe her dry, itchy scalp. Hibiscus leaves will condition and add shine, also reducing hair shedding. Linden leaf and flower is a new herb we are loving to help bring circulation to her scalp for more hair growth, also giving strength to any weak, brittle, dry hair. All the herbs are mixed into hot water, which will sit overnight. You can allow your tea to steep for however long you prefer, as long as you cool the mixture before applying to your scalp. My mom is 61 years old. With her age, her hair growth isn't what it used to be, but is way, way better from before. Every day, every single day, my mom will apply the hair juice and massage her scalp. Once a week, I will oil her scalp for her with a natural oil recipe that I've made. This hair juice recipe can be used on any hair type or hair length, no matter if you're natural, relaxed, or transitioning. If you're suffering from balding, thin edges, hair shedding, just try it and see a difference. Because no matter what, the ingredients that you use in your products that you apply to your hair play a huge role in your overall hair health. So ingredients truly, truly matter. Be on the lookout for a third update of my mom's hair care routine because winter is coming and she's very excited to show you guys the new length of her hair again. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye, guys.